Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not responding on the application of ChatGPT. We click on settings. Here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list we'll search about ChatGPT and we click. Here in this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we click on the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of ChatGPT. If you find updates, then you will update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.